everyone, and welcome to another Atlas cooking demo. With this week's wellness focus on sleep, let's talk about saving you some time in the morning at breakfast with today's recipe for blueberry breakfast muffins. These easy and tasty muffins make a great go-to for your busy mornings by saving you time while still getting you off to a good start. They're made with whole grains and they're sweetened with blueberries and dates, making them a healthier alternative while still tasting good. They're great fresh, or you can also freeze them, and then all you have to do in the morning is pop them in the oven or microwave, and they make a super easy snack. You can just pair them with some Greek yogurt or milk or whatever you want and have a really well-balanced but easy breakfast. Let's take a look. Here's what you'll need. 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 2/3 a cup of either milk or Greek yogurt, 6 tablespoons of oil. I'll be using canola oil today, and then about 1/4 cup of chopped dates, which is about 8 whole dates. And then for the berries, I'll be using blueberries, 1 cup, or you could also sub it out for a different type of berry or a different fruit like bananas. A couple of optional add-ons that you might choose to add are nuts and seeds to get more fiber or omega-3s. I think ground flaxseed and chia seed and walnuts all taste really great in baked muffins. You can also add a handful of chocolate chips for you chocolate lovers out there to make your breakfast that much more special. First things first, you'll need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then, in a bowl, we'll add the dry ingredients together. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the brown sugar and the oil. Then we'll crack 1 egg in at a time. And next we'll add the milk and the vanilla extract. And now we'll add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And next we'll fold in the dates and the berries. And if you're using chocolate chips, this is where you would add them. And now we'll just spoon the batter into each of the muffin liners and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. And once they're done, you can enjoy a few fresh from the oven and then freeze the rest to have at another breakfast. I personally like to serve mine up with a side of Greek yogurt or kefir to make it a well-balanced meal. Thanks for watching today. That's all I have for you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts or comments or what you like to eat for breakfast. And remember, if you want help finding ways to include healthy breakfasts in your life, let's talk.